All right, here we go. Do you need a 5-in-1 toothbrush? I'm going to tell you 5 reasons because here they are to get the SwiftBrush 5-in-1 grab and go. First and foremost, tongue scraper. Right there. Individually wrapped. Boom. So take one, take all. You don't even have to take the whole bag. You have an individually wrapped toothbrush to make it happen. Real toothbrush bristles. This is not the fake stuff. This is not the ones that break off, they accidentally swallow, or leave a bad taste in your mouth. You have proper minty toothpaste right there. I don't know. Am I up to 5 yet? Because these are so many. It is comfortable, ergonomic in the hand. Look how easy it is. It's large enough for me to actually get a good teeth brushing. And you have a dental floss right there. And this is a proper floss, right? To make sure you get in those teeth and not have any issues. Guys, the minty toothbrush, way to go. 26, ready to happen. Guys, this is the best product that you need on the go. Check out Grab, Brush, and Go SwiftBrush.